If things weren't working, what can we do about it? Help. Temporary support pin. Community feature finding. Training lab. Report a bug. Okay, let's report a bug. Feature topic. Bugs in the Lucid community. 1 year ago. Our development team works hard. Make sure it's a seamless experience. Lucid chart shows. But like any software, sometimes you get bugs. How do you know if you're experiencing a bug? Status page. Let's check the status page. List home page, government, da-da-da. Past incidents. Okay. A detailed description. How it happens. The problem is document specific. Support pin. Create a topic. Log in. What do I do here? Report a bug. Let's see Google Slides. Let's just help center. Like SVG import image insert files. Troubleshooting images. Troubleshooting tips. Fair enough. Shape libraries. Storage issue. Copy an image. Import shape functionality. Find familiar shapes. More shapes. Import shapes. Adding existing, choose a library. New library. Okay. Missing fonts are replaced with, is it a font issue? More shapes, my library. Use selected shapes. More shapes. My library. My libraries. New library. Okay. I mean, that's a roundabout way to do it. But okay. It works. We're there. And well, all right. Well, this is an update to the rant. Such a roundabout way. I'm not sure if it had a hard time with the SVG fonts, and that's why. I mean, we did get that error message, and maybe that's a little bit more food for thought. Okay, so roundabout way, we were able to get the SVG imported into a shape library and then used, which, okay, fair enough. There we go.